Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to download and install mods for The Sims 4. First, open your web browser and go to the website called The Sims Resource. Once the site loads, browse through the mods and custom content available. When you find a mod you like, open it and download the file to your computer. Wait for the download to finish. Now open File Explorer on your computer. Go to your Documents folder. Inside Documents, find the folder called Electronic Arts and open it. Next, open the folder named The Sims 4. Inside this folder, look for another folder called Mods and open it. If the file you downloaded is a zip file, you need to extract it first. Right-click on the file and choose Extract. If the mod file ends with .package, you can use it directly. Drag and drop the .package file into the mods folder. You can also copy and paste it into the mods folder. Make sure the file is placed directly inside the mods folder. After copying the mod, close File Explorer and launch The Sims 4. When the game opens, go to the game settings. In Settings, open the Other section. Here, make sure the box for custom content and mods is checked. Apply the changes and restart the game if prompted. Once the game restarts, your mod is installed and ready to use. Thanks for watching.